you're experiencing frequent paper jams or misfeeds, the culprit could be your paper feed rollers. These rubber rollers help to grip and feed the paper through the printer, but if they become dirty or dusty, you may need to clean them to get your printer working properly again. Before you start, get yourself a lint-free cloth and some water. Filtered or distilled water works best, but any fresh, clean water will work. Make sure you do not use alcohol or other solvents, as they could cause the rollers to dry out and crack. The process is usually slightly different for inkjet and laser printers, so let's start with an inkjet model. Start by locating the feed rollers. You will usually find them by removing the paper tray, and you may have to rotate the printer for a better view. Moisten the cloth with some water, but make sure it is only damp, not wet. Gently clean the roller with the cloth, rotating the roller as you go so that you can clean the entire surface. Replace the paper trays and close any access panels, then test the printer to make sure the issue has been resolved. For laser printer models, if the rollers aren't near the paper tray, they may be located inside the access panel. Open the access panel, and you may need to remove the toner cartridge as well. Look for the roller at the bottom of the opening. Depending on the design of the roller, it may not rotate by hand. If this is the case, unsnap the clips on either side of the roller, then rotate it forward to remove it. As before, dip the cloth in water to make it slightly damp. Wipe the surface of the roller with the damp cloth, wiping away any dirt or dust. Once the roller is dry, place it back into the machine and snap it firmly into place. Test the printer to see if the issue is resolved. You should now see a decrease in paper feeding issues. If you notice damage to the rollers, contact the manufacturer to see if you can obtain replacements. Many printers don't have user-replaceable rollers, so it is usually better to take the printer to a repair shop to avoid damaging your machine. Be sure to visit inktechnologies.com for all your toner and ink needs, where we can help you save money with every print.